Good morning, students. Now we have to study the next chapter, linear pre-energy relationship and Hammett equation. In our syllabus, in the course CHO350 organic reaction mechanism and biogenesis, there are two separate chapters, a linear pre-energy relationship and Hammett equation. But we have combined this chapter. You can see the syllabus of this chapter in this link, or also in front of us there is a syllabus of the respective chapter. There are few reference books as per syllabus. The name of the chapter is linear free energy relationship and Hammett equation. This linear free energy relationship is useful in quantitative description of substituent effect. LFER, linear free energy relationship, is useful in quantitative description of substituent effects. We should also know the qualitative assessment of the substituents. The effect of substituents are shown separately with respect to resonance and polar interactions. Polar in the sense inductive effect. Alkyl substituent, it shows it is electron releasing group. If you consider its inductive effect, it is also a electron releasing group, electron donating effect. Small electron donating effect. Phenyl or aryl, it may be, if you consider its resonance effect, it can be electron releasing group, aryl group, or it can be a electron withdrawing group. Suppose that to the aromatic ring OCH3 group is attached, then aryl ring, it will act as electron withdrawing group. And if nitro group is attached to the aromatic ring, aryl group, or this benzene ring, it acts as electron releasing group. Similar to this, there are some information regarding resonance and polar interactions or inductive effect. Ethynyl is there, alkoxy, acyloxy, carbonyl, halogens, nitrogen groups, sulfur groups, trialkyl silyl groups. There are many important relationships between substituents groups and chemical properties have been developed. We have studied the effect of substituents on strength of acetic acid derivatives. We know that formic acid is stronger acid than acetic acid, whereas acetic acid is weaker acid than chloroacetic acid. We have studied electron releasing group decreases and electron withdrawing group increases the strength of acids. That means how substituent affect the strength of acid. And with the help of this chapter, linear free energy relationship and Hammett equation, we have to study it quantitatively. We also know that effect of substituent on stability of carbocation, carbanion, free radical, etc. Effect of substituent on feasibility of reaction. If you know the substituent, we can tell whether this reaction will perform or not. Consider Friedel-Crafts reaction now. In case of Friedel-Crafts reaction, if you subjected methyl benzene to the Friedel-Crafts reaction, it will undergo Friedel-Crafts reaction, but nitrobenzene do not undergo Friedel-Crafts reaction. You know the substituent on aromatic ring. In case of methyl benzene, there is methyl substituent. In case of nitrobenzene, there is a nitro substituent. So there is a relationship between the reactivity and substituent present on the molecule. In many cases, structure reactivity quantitative relationships are useful for interpretation of reaction mechanism and for prediction of reaction rates and equilibria. The most widely quantitative relationships is the Hammett equation. What is Hammett equation? Which correlates rates and equilibria for many reactions of compounds containing substituted phenyl groups. It was noted in the year 1930s that there is a linear free energy relationship between the acid strengths of substituted benzoic acids and the rates of many other chemical reactions. As mentioned above, Hammett equation is quantitative relationship which explains the effect of substituent on reactivity of molecule. This Hammett equation is based on acidity of aromatic carboxylic acids. Acidities of benzoic acid and phenylacetic acid were measured by changing the substituent on the aromatic ring. It was found that acidity values are different according to the substrate present on a ring. Acidities are expressed as a pKa value. These pKa values are calculated from dissociation constant or ionization constant by using pH metry. We know the formula. pKa is equal to the minus log Ka, pH of the acids and pH of the base. It can be known by this formula. When the pKa values of phenylacetic acid are plotted against pKa values of benzoic acid, the pKa value shows linear relationship. In front of us there is a plot. Most of the points is on the line, therefore there is a linear relationships. This graph also indicates that there is a linear relationship when the plot drawn of pKa values of phenylacetic acid versus pKa values of benzoic acid. From this graph we can derive an equation which is as pKa value for substituted phenylacetic acid pKa is equal to rho pK value for benzoic acid pKb plus C prime. We know that as pK is equal to the minus log Ka. Sorry, the K should be a capital here. pK is equal to the minus log Ka. So equation 1 rearranges to the following: minus log Kpa is equal to rho minus log Kb plus C prime. Now changing the sign, log Kpa is equal to the rho log Kb plus C prime becomes minus C, and we have considered it plus C. We have changed its sign again. It is a constant, so sign does not affect. Now compare equation 2 with y is equal to the mx plus c. We will know that rho is proportionality constant or slope of the line. It is also called as reaction constant. Rho is reaction constant. C or C prime, these are the intercept of the straight line. We can write the equation for unsubstituted acid also. Log of KHPA, there is a H, this is for hydrogen. Log KHPA means unsubstituted phenylacetic acid, and log Kpa means substituted phenylacetic acid. Now this equation 3, this is for unsubstituted acid. Log of KHPA is equal to rho log of KHB plus C. Now subtracting equation 3 from equation 2, what we get? Consider the left side of equation 2 and equation 3. Log of KPA minus log KHPA. KPA for substituted phenyl acetic acid, KHPA for unsubstituted phenyl acetic acid. Phenyl acetic acid itself is equal to rho log Kb minus rho log KHB plus C minus C. So we get log Kpa minus log KHPA is equal to rho log Kb minus log KHB. As we know the rules of logarithm, we can write log of Kpa upon KHPA is equal to rho log of Kb upon KHB. The acidities of different benzoic acids in aqueous media at 25 degrees Celsius are the standard measure of each substituent group, and substituent constant sigma for every substituent is defined as rho is reaction constant and sigma is substituent constant. It can be defined as for benzoic acids. It can be defined for every substituent. Sigma is equal to log of Kb upon KHB. So equation 4 becomes log of Kb upon KHB is equal means sigma. Therefore equation 4 becomes log of Kpa upon log of KHPA is equal to sigma rho. We can write general equation for the above equation. Log of K upon K0, log of K means this is for substituted compound, K0 means this is for unsubstituted compound. Log of K upon K0 is equal to sigma rho. We have written there two equations. This above equation is termed as Hammett equation. Now remember, you have to remember, students, you have to remember this equation. Log of K upon K0 is equal to sigma rho. Log of K upon K0 is equal to sigma rho. From this lecture, you have to keep in your mind this equation specifically. The above equation is termed as Hammett equation, which is the linear relationship. In the above equations, K, capital K is dissociation or ionization constant of substituted compound. K0, this is for unsubstituted compound. Small k, rate constant for substituted compound. K0, rate constant for unsubstituted compound. Sigma, keep in your mind, sigma is substituent constant. For each substituent, sigma remains constant, and sigma is independent on the nature of reaction, and rho is reaction constant or proportionality constant, and rho depends on nature and condition of the reaction. As reaction changes, rho can be changes. This is about the linear free energy relationship and Hammett equation. For learning this topic, we have used the following reference books: Advanced Organic Chemistry, F.A. Carey and R.J. Sandberg, and Organic Reaction and Their Mechanisms by P.S. Kelsey. Students, you have to try this derivation of Hammett equation and its meaning of Hammett equation in your notebook. Try several times. Thank you.